Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm with you with another of the series of trading videos using the psychological tips of candles. We want to do some trades in the real account in Quotex broker and learn the tips and patterns that have been taught so far in the channel. It is given to browse together while trading. Be sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Well, we are in the live account for the USD to TRY currency pair. The major and minor downward trends. Before doing anything, we draw our levels and trend lines in the direction of the chart movement and near its price. There is probably a level here that has caused the trend reverse. We can draw a trend line here. Based on the past behavior of the candles, you can see the reversal of the trend towards this line and trend line. As you can see, the candles are moving inside the channel. I have marked the range of buyers and sellers. Okay, I entered the higher trade. As you can see, a new high has been created for us. The momentum trend started here and ended here. And again, with the formation of a green candle and new high, there is a possibility that the upward trend will continue. Okay, we wait until our trade is closed. Pay attention because the open price of this candle was formed below the close price of the previous candle. So the candle moved down and red candle was created. It means that there is a pressure from sellers. Okay, it's not a problem. I entered the higher trade. If you look here, we have a range of buyers. The candle received a rejection from the trend line. A new high was formed for us on the previous candle, and the trend and candles are moving inside this channel. That's why I entered the higher trade. Okay, as you can see, a dangerous sideways range is formed here. If you remember, in the important video I put on the channel about reverse momentum trends, I said that candles can move in a sideways trend and then, from the breaking of the levels that have been formed, the reverse momentum trend will start to form. Okay? I entered the higher trade again. Here is the starting level of our momentum trend, and here is the ending level of our momentum trend. Here, a side range was formed for us, and after, a new high was formed, I entered the higher trade and followed the trend of reverse momentum. We will wait. Very well. If you look here, we have a trend line and a level. That is, here is a range of sellers. There is a possibility of a reversal of this trend line. Okay? But on the other hand, because a bullish momentum has formed and a new high has made for us, there is a possibility of continuing the upward trend. So, in this situation, the probability of profit or lose of our trade is 50% to 50%. So, we don't do anything in this situation. Okay? Okay? If you look at in the past, candles have continued their downward movement many times after hitting this trend line. For this reason, due to the reformation of the red candle on this trend line and the possibility of imitating the past behavior of the candles, I entered the lower trade. Due to the fast momentum, I didn't have a good entry point. That is, my position should be here, but it was recorded lower than my desired position, which sometimes can be detrimental to the trader. But why did I enter the lower trade? If you have seen the previous videos, you can see a trend line pattern or a TRC pattern. If you look, one, two, and three, the trend line pattern and the TRC pattern. Both of these patterns are taught in separate videos on the channel. Okay? Here we can also draw a range and trend line. I entered the lower trade. If you look, a momentum trend that started from here and ended here. A gap and distance to the level, a brief momentum, and the possibility of continuing the downward trend. The candle has received pressure and rejection from this level and has returned to the top. That is, we have a buyer's zone here, an important range of buyers. Okay? Okay, let's wait. We have an important level here. As you can see, our downtrend is moving inside a channel, and probably after breaking this level, it will go up to the trend line and buyer's level. Okay? I entered the higher trade. If you look at the past chart, our previous bearish momentum trend has corrected after hitting this important level. And again, the new bearish momentum trend has closed on this level. This is one of the signs that this level is strong. Considering there is a possibility of imitating the past behavior of the candles, there is a possibility of correcting the trend upwards. You see, we have an important level here. For these reasons, I entered the higher trade. Great. If you look here, we have a bullish engulfing pattern. According to the tips I explained in the engulfing pattern video, get confirmation for the engulfing pattern trade. The third candle should receive pressure and rejection from the shadow or body of the first candle, and then from receiving this pressure and rejection, we can enter the trade. That's why when the candle received a rejection from the first candle, I entered the higher trade. Okay. We made about 10 trades. Don't forget to watch the previous episodes to learn the tips I talked about in this video. Especially the important parts about teaching patterns and candlestick psychology tips. As you can see, a momentum trend started from here and ended at this level, and a reverse momentum trend is formed. Considering that a weak red candle is formed in the middle of a bullish momentum trend, and with a gap until the level is there. That's why there is a continuation of the upward trend again, and that's why I entered the higher trade. Very well, don't forget to watch other videos on the psychology of candles and learn the patterns properly. You must have enough practice in the demo account. It is not an easy task to work in binary options and financial markets. I recommend and emphasize that it requires practice, follow-up, effort, learning, taking notes and time. You should take time for it. You should not look at this market as a game or entertainment, because if you don't learn the tips, you will easily lose your capital and money. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like it, and share it with your friends. Okay, dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.